Good day everyone, I am Jay Wenes. Today I am going to present the negative and positive effects of globalization. First one is the deforestation. Unang-una, ang pagiging hindi magandang epekto ng deforestation ay nakakapag-cause ng climate change, desertification, soil erosion, fewer crops, flooding, increased greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, and a host of problems for indigenous people. Second one is losing a job. Aside from the obvious financial, parte ito ng hindi magandang epekto ng globalisasyon dahil the stress of losing a job can also take a heavy toll on your mood and overall mental and emotional health. Isang halimbawa ng pagkawala ng trabaho ay noong pandemic. Maraming taong nawala ng trabaho at hirap makahanap ng makakain sa pang-araw-araw. Kaya naging bahagi ito ng negative effect ng globalization. Susunod naman tayo sa dalawang positive effect of globalization. First, the economic growth. The effect of globalization on economic development or growth include a variety of positive impact on economic development, including increased trade and investment opportunities, access to new market, and the spread of new technologies and knowledge. And the last one is the foreign investor or ang pagte-trade ng mga bagay-bagay sa ibang bansa. Bakit kasama ito sa positive effect? Dahil nagkakaroon tayo ng access to new and growing markets at nakakapag-reduce tayo ng disparity between revenues and cost. With such, countries will be able to make sure that production cost will be the same and can be sold easier. And that is my presentation about the negative and positive effect of globalization. Thank you.